Have you ever wondered why certain things just seem to fit perfectly? What if we told you there's a mysterious number that's been silently shaping our universe? Welcome to the realm of the golden ratio, a mathematical enigma that's been the invisible hand behind nature's symmetry, the captivating allure of art, and the structural marvel of architectural wonders. This fascinating number, approximately 1.618, has been lurking in the spiral of a shell, the arrangement of petals on a flower, and even in the proportions of our own bodies. It's as if the universe has a hidden blueprint, and this number is the key to decoding it. The golden ratio has been such a compelling mystery that it's been studied by mathematicians and philosophers for centuries. Its eerie omnipresence hints at a grander design, a cosmic harmony that permeates everything around us. This omnipresence of the golden ratio leads us to question, could there be a deeper connection to another universal law, the law of attraction? Ever thought about how your thoughts and feelings can influence the world around you? This brings us to the law of attraction. This invisible law is all about the power of the mind, suggesting that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. It's like a cosmic order service, where you place your order with the universe through your thoughts. The law of attraction operates on a few key principles. First, like attracts like. This implies that positive thoughts draw positive events, while negative thoughts invite undesirable situations. Second, nature abhors a vacuum. The universe will always find a way to fill a void, so if you focus on lack, you'll continue to attract scarcity. But if you focus on abundance, you'll draw wealth and prosperity. Third, the present is always perfect. This means that every moment is a new opportunity to manifest your desires. Many people use the law of attraction to attract positivity and success. For instance, some visualize their goals vividly, cultivating feelings of joy and gratitude as if they've already achieved them. Others use affirmations, repeating positive statements to themselves to foster a positive mindset. The law of attraction, like the golden ratio, is another concept that seems to be woven into the fabric of our universe, albeit in a much different way. Now, how could these two seemingly different concepts, the golden ratio and the law of attraction, possibly be connected? Well, if you delve a little deeper, you might find that the golden ratio and the law of attraction are two sides of the same coin, each reflecting a universal principle of harmony and balance. The golden ratio, as we've seen, is a pattern that recurs throughout nature. In the spirals of galaxies, the arrangement of petals on a flower, the proportions of a beautiful face. It's a mathematical expression of how the universe organizes itself in the most efficient and aesthetically pleasing way. On the other hand, the law of attraction proposes that our thoughts and feelings also have a structure, a kind of internal harmony that can influence the world around us. It suggests that positive thoughts can attract positive outcomes, and negative thoughts can bring about negative circumstances. So could it be that the golden ratio is a physical manifestation of the law of attraction? Could it be that this mathematical principle, seen in the swirl of a seashell or the curve of a galaxy, is the universe's way of showing us that it tends towards beauty and balance? Consider this. Just as a sunflower's seeds arrange themselves according to the golden ratio to make the most of the space available, perhaps our thoughts and feelings arrange themselves in a similar pattern to make the most of the potential within us. This might sound like a leap of faith, but isn't that what both the golden ratio and the law of attraction are about? They both suggest that there's an underlying order to the universe, a pattern that we can tap into to create harmony and abundance in our lives. Just as the golden ratio shows how the universe is beautifully ordered, the law of attraction suggests that our thoughts and feelings can align with this order to create positive outcomes in our lives. So, the next time you marvel at the symmetry of a snowflake or the spiral of a galaxy, remember, you're not just observing a beautiful pattern. You're witnessing the universe's way of telling us that harmony, balance, and beauty are not just concepts, but the very fabric of reality itself. In the grand scheme of things, what does this connection between the golden ratio and the law of attraction mean? It's fascinating to see how these two concepts, one mathematical and the other psychological, suggest there's a deeply ingrained order and harmony in our universe. They imply a beautiful synchronicity between the natural world and our personal experiences. Next time you marvel at a beautiful sunset or achieve a long-held goal, remember the golden ratio and the law of attraction. They remind us that we are all part of a beautifully ordered, harmonious universe.